Is your 2014 Kia Optima key fob not working? Let's diagnose the problem. The most common issues are a dead battery, needing reprogramming, or antenna problems. The most common issues with your 2014 Kia Optima key fob are a dead battery, needing reprogramming after a battery change, or antenna wiring problems. First, replace the CR2032 battery in your fob. Pry it open carefully, remove the old battery, and insert a new CR2032 with the positive side up. The battery lasts 2 to 4 years and provides 3 volts power. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, your fob likely needs reprogramming. Cycle the ignition key 10 times, turn to on then off, and on the 10th time, leave it in on position. The fob should sync with the vehicle. If problems persist after reprogramming, it could be the antenna. The vehicle's antenna coil near the ignition cylinder can corrode or disconnect. Check wiring under the dashboard and consult a professional for repairs. Always ensure correct polarity when replacing the battery and consult a professional if you're unsure about any electrical work. If a battery replacement didn't fix your key fob issues, the problem might be synchronization. Try reprogramming your fob using a simple method. Here's the simple method. Insert your key into the ignition, turn it to on position, but don't start the engine. Then turn it back to off. Repeat this cycle exactly 10 times to reprogram the fob. If the simple cycling method doesn't work, you'll need a diagnostic tool to access your car's engine control unit for full reprogramming. Alternatively, take your vehicle to a Kia dealership where certified technicians can handle the reprogramming process. A faulty antenna can also cause key fob signal issues. Inspect the antenna wiring harness located near the ignition cylinder for any signs of corrosion or damage that might be interfering with the signal. While DIY antenna repair is possible, it's strongly recommended to seek professional help to avoid damaging your vehicle's body control module, which could lead to more serious electrical issues.